UPSC for mains has a unique way of evaluation. That means all the optionals through which the students appear has a proportional system in the final analysis. That means if there are 10,000 students appearing from one subject, if let's say 10 are selected, I'm just taking an example, for another optional there are 1,000 students and one is selected. That means across any optional that you take, you would have students that would qualify. That's one thing you must remember. Now the second thing is, which is the best? So of course you would hear more from these 10 students rather from just this single student. So what you hear through the social media, through your network or through your social group, you would feel that there are certain optionals which are more popular as compared to another optional. It's not the case. It's simply because of the fact that more students take that optional, either because they have a public view that this optional is popular, or the previous students who qualified took that optional, or the coaching institutes are offering that optional. 90% of the students would go with that flow and pick an optional, and therefore you look for a figure. When you look for a figure, you see that certain optionals have better scoring as compared to other optionals. However, I personally do mentor with 2 of the optionals, but I would definitely recommend that any optional that you take would perform well with your final UPSC merit examination, because you have a proportional system of representation across all optionals. So don't just go by the flow that this optional is good or this coaching is offering this optional, so I should pick this optional. Take an optional in which you have an expertise, in which you have an interest, and an optional with which you can survive for at least 2 to 3 years, because 1 year is a minimum cycle even if you qualify with your first attempt. So make sure for that 1 year you would be studying for at least another year. So 2 years is something that you have to read a subject. So only that subject which interests you should be the subject that you should pick, and ultimately you would perform good with that subject. Thanks for joining in.